Hi, in this video we will see some more English phrases usage. Come out with some solution, my dear friend. You can use that way. Come in, please come in. You can use please come in. Go down and get the things. When you are in the upstairs, go down. Work out this problem and get the solution. That way, work out you can use. Set out for a bon voyage. Set out for a bon voyage. Take up this problem, my dear. Take up this job. You can use. Get back the answer tomorrow. You find out and get back the answer tomorrow. Sit down. I can tell the student, come on, sit down. Turn out. It is going to be a turning out solution. Turn out, you can say it like that. Take on, my dear friend. Give up this idea. Please leave the idea. Give up the idea means please leave the idea. Get up early in the morning. Get up early in the morning. That way you can use. Look up. Always look up. That means you have to think about the progress. Look up always. Don't look down. That is the meaning of it. So these are the phrases we can use in simple sentences to make the sentences be more attractive while speaking with others. So how nicely you are using the phrases in spoken English in a simple and little way. Have a great